Today's visit began on the 6th of January with my first stop at the recently opened Lewis's Critter Club here in Bayou Country. As I entered, I was immediately struck by all the moss and garland draped across the ceiling. Themed around the critters from Tiana's Bayou Adventure, the space is filled with attraction-specific merchandise, along with other smaller details that help tell the story. One such detail is this personal viewing area dedicated to Mama Odie. Up next was Madame Leota's Somewhere Beyond, which also opened not that long ago. This shop, too, is filled with attraction-specific merchandise and other themed elements scattered throughout this new space. Yet, according to legend, this crystal ball was once used within the mansion itself. That portrait up there, depicting Madame Leota in her mortal form, is actually a tribute to the legendary Imagineer, Leota Toombs, who once served as her model. Over in the California Adventure, I caught what sadly turned out to be the final performance of the Storytime with Deadpool Holiday Special. The show kicked off with Deadpool's entrance on his Dopendeer.
That never gets old. You know what? You can give me more holiday cheer if you'd like.
Our host then introduced his holiday tale.
All the way back to jolly old England for a dignified holiday tale written by Sir Mr. Charles Xavier Dickens. Don't say the lines with me, all right? Give me this moment, all right? This is for me. And it's brought to you by Disney Plus. All right, come on. Do you guys even want us to ever come back to the resort? I said Disney Plus.
Such a playful, interactive vibe has always been a hallmark of the show.
Genuine and unprompted.
When Wolverine made his entrance, the crowd cheered.
Okay. OMG, my Shayla!
What?
Look, everybody, it's the hideous Loganizer Scrooge! Stop. All right, come on.
Only for their excitement to quickly turn to booze.
Okay. Boo like it's your last chance.
I mean, come on.
Boo,
Okay,
boo.
enough. I get it. You're doing a Christmas.
Oh, hush those succulent pouting lips, Wolfie. We're not actually allowed to say the name of this story for some reason, even though we've been doing this for 2 months, all right? We don't have the rights to it yet.
Wow, that really makes no sense.
Yeah, none of this really does.
Tiny little...
Tiny little Peter.
Tiny Peter.
In a rare moment of sincerity, Wolverine shared a heartfelt message, reminding the audience of the season's true
He's a
meaning.
better man. I guess, basically, this story reminds us to be kinder to our fellow neighbors, and to use the season to think of those who are less fortunate than us, and to overall be less of a jerk, I guess. Yeah. Oh.
Wow.
Now you're back on my side, huh?
Yeah, those are flip-floppers, huh?
That's fine.
Talk about a Broadway caliber monologue, am I right, everybody? Logie, maybe it's because it's the last day, but I'm starting to think you're not the only one with a single tear running down your face. Oh, Logie bear!
Okay, all right, let's not get carried.
More jokes and exaggerated farewells ultimately made the show run a little bit longer than usual.
Stuff. So that's it?
Huh. Well, you know what? This is usually the part of the script where I say, no, we're not done quite yet because we got extended thanks to Disney Plus. However, that extension ends right here, right now. Listen, we're in the end game now, everybody. Okay? And don't be sad, don't pout, don't cry, and whatever you do, do not cancel your Disney Plus subscriptions, okay? Oh, speaking of being canceled, there's actually one word that I'd like to say for you all.
What?
It's something that I've been dying to say for this entire run, and I was told at the beginning.
As their final performance drew to a close, Deadpool framed their exit as temporary,
Farewell.
leaving the door open for a possible
I really had to get that
future
off my chest. I've been
return.
waiting months for that. But this is not goodbye. No, it's not. This is see you later. Maybe. We'll see. I don't actually know.
But hey, listen, you've been a good guy. He's been a good guy, and I don't say that a lot.
I
Bring
love
it
you
in.
too.
Bring it in, buddy. Not that much. I love him too.
Bye, everyone. We're gonna go file for unemployment
No, we're not.
backstage while we watch Frozen 1 and Frozen 2 on Disney Plus.
We're not gonna watch.
Oh, on Dasher, on Donner, on Dopinder we ride. Oh, just think about it, everybody. Wow, I made the song play a second time. I love you too. Bye. See you later. Oh, see ya. Bye now. Bye, child. Bye. 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 Farewell. Oh, I love you too,
Got the
Samuel.
energy up the whole time. Absolutely.
Wow.
You really just wouldn't stop.
One last high five, huh? There you go.
Yeah,
You sure can. We'll be coming for a picture.
Well, that was it, the final appearance of Wolverine and Deadpool. I don't think they're gone completely. I got a feeling they'll come back in some form. With the red car trolleys closing on February 8th, I definitely plan to ride this attraction a little bit more often until that official date.
Now, this is going to be a one-way trip down to Buena Vista Street, the main entrance of the park. We will be taking a slight pause over here in the bypass. Over here on the right-hand side, you're going to see award winners. Now, award winners actually is actually based off of a couple things.
Oh, I gotta tell you all about my favorite orangutan. Maybe you've heard of him. Here you go.
During Disneyland's A Christmas Fantasy Parade, everyone, including yours truly, lined up along Main Street, USA to experience this special brand of holiday magic. Which always starts off with these Babes in Toyland soldiers, all marching in perfect formation. Next, Mickey and Minnie Mouse appeared, waving from this float, themed as a mailroom. Close behind were Pluto and Goofy, riding on this gingerbread house.
Anybody thinking of making a gingerbread house? Well, take it from Chef Goofy. You gotta start with yummy ingredients. Yup, and a good recipe. And the baker's eye for arranging your treats just so. Wow, just look out there below.
Three of my favorites appear shortly after. Lady Tremaine and her daughters strolling by in their holiday finest. Then came the princesses. Snow White, Tiana, Princess Aurora and Cinderella, gliding by in stunning winter gowns. Soon after, Buzz Lightyear,
Better watch out. Santa Claus is coming to town.
the Green Army Men, Jessie, and Woody all appeared in this Toy Story section here.
Merry Christmas, partners! Hold on there, horsey. Are all you toys out there ready to holler Merry Christmas? Come on, let me hear you! Well, Merry Christmas to you too!
This longtime favorite group, a prancing reindeer, followed.
Magic of Christmas! I knew you did.
Plus, for the grand finale, Santa Claus arrived atop his sleigh.
Lead the way. Hello there. I am so excited to be here. Happy New Year. This is my favorite time of year. The lights, decorations, the trees, the cookies, and best of all of my friends are here. I love you all very much. Happy New Year! Right now, elves are hard at work preparing for next Christmas.
It really has been a while since I last rode It's a Small World holiday. With the ride staying open a bit longer this year, I had to make sure I experienced this 2024 version at least once. Each region comes alive with festive cheer as children from around the world celebrate their own cultural traditions. Originally debuting at the 1964 New York World's Fair, this attraction recently celebrated its 60th anniversary. And it's wonderful to see that it still continues to enchant guests to this very day. Back at the California Adventure, I was eager to see a brand new holiday offering in front of the Carthay Circle Theater. A musical Christmas with Mariachi Alegría de Disneyland. And Miguel began with his festive procession down Buena Vista Street.
Hello everyone, good to see you. Feliz Año Nuevo y feliz Día de los Reyes, sí señor. ¡Vámonos!
Where Carlos's host invited everyone in the vicinity to take part.
¡Hola familia! ¡Happy New Year! ¡Qué bonita es la fiesta navideña, sí señor! Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Let me hear you say, tuki, 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 tuki. Tuki, 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 ta. Apúrate, mi burrito, vamos a ver a Jesús. Y a gozar, se ha dicho, sí señor. Cookies, am I right? Sí, señor. There's no reason to leave behind treats and letters for Papa Noel on Christmas Eve.
Carlos and his familia shared holiday stories and traditions from all around the world.
Te observa cuando duermes, te mira al despertar. No intentes ocultarte, pues siempre te verá. Sabe de ti, sabe de mí.
With carols sung in English and Spanish.
Santa Claus llegó. Santa Claus is coming to town. Hey, señor. Gracias.
The air was filled with other bilingual renditions, which included Jingle Bells,
Navidad, Navidad, hoy es Navidad. Es un día de alegría y felicidad.
and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games.
As Carlos encouraged everyone to dance and sing along.
Let me hear you say, Noah, 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 Noah. Vámonos. Let me see on this side. Muy bien, familia. How about on this side? Órale. Give yourselves a round of applause. Muy bien, muy bien.
Then, a grand surprise arrived when Miguel, the spirited star from Coco, joined in.
When dear friends drop by unexpectedly for a holiday visit. Hey, look, everyone! Es nuestro amigo Miguel! Everyone say, hola, Miguel!
Hola, Miguel!
Hi, Miguel! We're so happy.
For an energetic rendition of one of his favorite songs.
Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say, put them on your head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. Tú me traes un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me dancing, I'm knowing that I'm guessing. I'll count it as a blessing. That I'm only un poco loco.
The mood shifted to a more reflective tone as the harmony of Silent Night filled the air.
Brilla la estrella de paz. Brilla la estrella de amor.
Sung by children
Everyone,
holding candles that lit the way.
silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Sleep in heavenly Beautifully done, everyone. Muy bien. Si me ve, voy camino de Belén. Si me ve, voy camino de Belén. ¡Vámonos! Happy holidays, everyone. Feliz Año Nuevo.
So, the next time you want to discover festive holiday magic and other cultural traditions, be sure to do those during your next visit to the resort.